Halloween! It's October 31st, Saturday, and I'm headed into work. I gotta work for a few hours this morning. The kids are excited about going trick-or-treating tonight. We gotta see how the weather holds up. It's been nasty here. High winds, a lot of rain. So hopefully the weather holds out, and this evening we can take the kids, get some candy. Get me some candy. We'll see. We'll see how the weather goes. Just got off of work now. I'm gonna go grab some lunch, head to the house, and see if this weather's gonna pass through, to see if this evening we can go trick-or-treating. Hello? Go ahead. Okay, can I get 3 of the Doritos Cheesy Gordita Crunch boxes?
What's your drink?
Pepsi on all 3.
Okay.
And can I get a Doritos Locos Taco with meat and cheese only? A soft taco with meat and cheese only? Another Doritos Locos Taco, but all the way? And another soft taco all the way. That's it. I'm sorry? Yes.
What's your name?
I'm sorry?
What is your name?
Brian?
Thank you so much. It's 2625.
Thank you. I don't understand why they need my name. I'm in a drive-thru. It's kind of confusing. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe they just want to be very friendly and know your name. Thank you. Alright, we got our food. Let's head to the house. You ready to put on your Halloween costume? You ready to go trick-or-treating? No? Okay. Happy Halloween, guys. Alright, let's go this way.
It's so heavy.